Hi everyone, I'm glad you're here. Thank you very much for joining me. It is Tuesday, March 26, 2024. Those of you living in California might want to contact your insurance agent for State Farm insurance. They're going to discontinue coverage for 72,000 homes and apartments in California this summer. I don't know if that covers renters insurance. For those of you that might be living in apartments, you might want to find out. California's largest insurer, which is based in Illinois, cites soaring costs, the increased risk of wildfires and other catastrophes, and outdated regulations for its refusal to renew policies on 30,000 homes and 42,000 apartments. State Farm said it will work with Governor Gavin Newsom and Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara to develop reforms that better align insurance rate with risk. Many California homeowners are just now discovering that their policies are being canceled, and hundreds of thousands of others are stuck with a pricey option of last resort. This new round of cancellation accounts for just 2% of State Farm's policy in the state. And the company did not indicate which regions are hardest hit. Yeah, people would like to know. I would like to know. I would like to see a map. More and more people are moving into wildland-urban interface. It can be found in any part of the country where people live in areas with vegetation near homes and little clearance. These areas are costing insurance companies too much to repair and replace homes while battling inflation. Two insurance giants, which would be Farmers and Allstate, also withdrew from California's insurance marketplace, explaining that the increase in wildfire risk and soaring construction costs have resulted in their decision to stop writing new policies in the state. Last June, State Farm said it would stop accepting applications for all businesses and personal line of property and casualty insurance, citing inflation back then, a challenging reinsurance market, and rapidly growing catastrophe exposure. This recent cancellation for the 30,000 California homeowners, as well as the apartment buildings, is happening despite California approving State Farm's request to levy double-digit premium increases last year. Vice President Kamala Harris recently announced a $197 million grant to help more than 100 communities and tribes across the nation become more resilient to wildfires. The number of acres burned by wildfires in the United States has more than doubled over 30 years, the Vice President Kamala Harris said during a news conference. Wildfires are expected to become more extensive with climate change, Harris said. The latest finding by the United Nations Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change showed how extreme heat and drought have become more common and are worsening wildfire conditions. We used to talk about wildfire season, Harris said. Now wildfire season is all year round. Yeah, look what happened in Texas. That was in their winter during the calving season. Many of the livestock that were lost were pregnant cows or those with newborn calves. But that fire was caused by the power company and its negligence to make sure that the infrastructure was up and safe. A power pole evidently snapped at the base of the ground and started that fire. That fire, the Smokehouse Creek Fire, became the largest fire in history for the state of Texas. That wasn't the first time that a fire was started by a power company. There's been a lot of fires across the country that were started because power companies aren't maintaining their infrastructure. And now it's the private owners that are going to have to pay through the nose for insurance coverage, or just, get it flat out canceled. People who are buying homes are going to be scrambling to find new people to cover them. So what are your thoughts? Put your comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. Please thumbs up my videos. That will help with the algorithm here on YouTube. Make sure you're still subscribed, and I'll talk to you later. God bless you. Bye.